If you want to insert the SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then first of all we need to find our SIM tray that we can find usually on the left side. However, keep in mind that there are two Galaxy Tab A11 versions. There's one without the cellular data, so you won't have the SIM card slot, and there are versions that actually do have the option to use the SIM card. So as you can see over here on the SIM tray, we have this little hole, and we're gonna use our eject tool and we're gonna put it into this SIM tray hole. There we go, and then push it down with a little bit of force to make the SIM tray pop out. And then once it pops out, you can use your fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray from the device, from the tablet. All right. And of course, now we can insert our SIM card. We just need to simply match the shape. So this is how it looks like. And just put it in. However, be careful because the SIM card slot is really loose, so it's really easy to actually drop the SIM card and lose it by accident. And of course, we're gonna put it back into the tablet. Just slide it in, push it with your finger, and make sure that it is actually fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.